Just imagine this. What if I told you that a simple 3-minute morning trick could drastically reverse blurred vision, dryness, and even your dependency on glasses without any laser surgery, expensive eye drops, or supplements? Sounds unbelievable, right? Here's the shocking part. It's 100% real. According to science, this technique literally recharges the natural energy system inside your eyes. It's not magic. It's pure biology. Every day, millions of people struggle with blurred vision and constant eye strain. Long screen hours, limited natural sunlight, and heavily processed diets have almost completely shut down the eye's natural self-repair mechanism. The solution isn't hidden in complex surgeries or expensive medications. It lies in scientifically proven light therapy and a few clinically tested natural habits that restore the eye's lost clarity and focus. Scientists at University College London discovered that participants who sat with their eyes closed for just 3 minutes in the morning, exposed to red light at a 670 nanometer wavelength, experienced something remarkable. The mitochondria inside their retinas, often called the energy batteries of the eyes, became reactivated. Within just a few weeks, visual clarity improved by up to 20% without any medication, laser, or surgery. Just a simple morning light session helped the eyes regain the power they had lost over time. Harvard Medical School researchers explain that during fasting, the body generates new mitochondria and naturally repairs damaged cells. This ensures oxygen and essential nutrients efficiently reach the cells in the eyes. The result is gradually clearer vision and a natural slowdown of age-related issues like cataracts without medication. If you work long hours in front of screens, remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This relaxes eye muscles and reduces dryness. Vitamin A is the core fuel for your eyes, naturally found in egg yolks, liver, and butter. Lutein and zeaxanthin, abundant in kale and pistachios, protect eyes from UV rays and oxidative stress. Doctors say consuming these nutrients with egg yolk can double absorption, giving your eyes maximum benefit. Small floaters in your vision are actually damaged proteins accumulated in the retina. Fasting activates autophagy, the body's natural process to remove these damaged proteins. For cataracts, N-acetylcarnosine eye drops are clinically proven to naturally clear the lens. For glaucoma and inflammation, vitamin D3, K2, and magnesium improve eye pressure and blood flow. Dry eyes often result from vitamin B1 deficiency, worsened by coffee, sugar, and refined carbs. Green vegetables and nutritional yeast activate tear glands, keeping eyes naturally moist and healthy. Combining these simple habits, light therapy, intermittent fasting, proper nutrients, and screen breaks, can actively protect and rejuvenate your vision. Your eyes aren't just a tool for seeing, they're the window to your world. With the right light, nutrition, and rest, regaining lost vision isn't just possible, it's realistic. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Clinical Discovery channel. Every video uncovers science-backed transformations for your body and mind. Sometimes the simplest natural habits create the biggest miracles. And for your eyes, this 3-minute morning trick just might be that miracle.